today we are learning the conjugation of the AR verbs. So remember, a verb is the action in a sentence, and they can be in infinitive form. That means when they're not conjugated, such as to wear, to study, to talk, to be. They're not conjugated, as you can see. But then, today we're learning how to conjugate a verb. So when it has to before, this is infinitive. When we remove the to and we put it like this, I talk, you talk, she, he talks. This is conjugation. In Spanish, we have a special form to do this. And we're going to learn this through 4 verbs. The first one is to wear. So to wear means in Spanish, llevar. To need is necesitar. To study, estudiar. To talk, hablar. These verbs have something in common. Can you guess? Yes, they all end with the AR. So that means that they're infinitive. In order to conjugate this verb, we gotta follow some steps. So the first thing that we gotta know about the verb is that they have an ending and they have a root or the stem. The endings in Spanish are 3 when the verb is regular, and they are AR, ER, and IR. And today we're learning only the AR verbs. So the first step in order to conjugate a verb will be get rid of the AR. So I'm done with this. It doesn't exist anymore. And I have the root. The second step, I'm going to write down the root for each one of the subject pronouns. Okay? And then the third step and the last one will be adding the new endings. The new endings are right here. So when the verb is regular and it's an AR verb, it will always have this ending for yo. Yo llevo means I wear or I am wearing. Tú llevas, you wear or you are wearing. Él, ella, en usted lleva, he wears, she wears, and you formal wear. Nosotros llevamos, we are wearing or we wear. Ellos, ellas, en ustedes llevan, they wear. And finally, vosotros lleváis, you all wear. But remember, vosotros is the one that we use in Spain. Let's do one more example. We have hablar. Hablar means to talk. So how can I say I am talking or I talk? Step 1, get rid of the AR. Step 2, write down the root. Step 3, add the new ending. Yo hablo, I am talking. And we do the same for the following, okay? This is regular AR verbos. All you need to do is write down the root and then write down the new endings. And there you go. This is conjugation of verbs. And the endings will not change when the verb is regular. And I have in here estudiar. How can I say you study? Remember, we write down the root because I get rid of the ending. And then the ending for tú is as. Tú estudias. Okay, so this is called conjugation. Let's do a quick practice of conjugation in here. So if I want to say they blank a blue t-shirt. They wear a blue t-shirt. I want to conjugate verbo llevar, verb llevar. So I'm gonna get rid of the AR. I have the root. I'll put it right here and I gotta add a new ending. So tú llevas. That would be the new ending. Okay, so that means you were this I'm so sorry, I put it in the wrong one. This one should be right here. Tú llevas. Okay? And the ending well, doesn't want to work right now. Ellos llevan, and the ending will be llevan. Okay, there you go. Okay, so this is the conjugation of air verbs, and this is going to be on the test. So if you guys have more questions, just remember, always ask Señorita Ulate. And that's it for today.